It's like you're turning things away or not considering it. You're not keeping your options open on something else. Maybe you're closing off different offers of people because you're looking for a certain thing or situation in your life, and that's maybe why you haven't committed to something. You're wanting to start something new, and you're having anxiety about it. In the past, you have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. You didn't get overall stability, financial stability most of all. Maybe you were trying for that and something did not work, and now you're thinking about going into something new. Now, I'm going to start clarifying these when I get done with the Celtic cross. And when I start clarifying, I can change the whole story up. So, stick with me. Very near future, you got a happy home situation. Celebrations, maybe even a wedding, a marriage for some of you. But I got to clarify, you could be just going to a wedding, or some of you may actually get married, but like I said, I don't know yet. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is Queen of Rods in reverse. It could be a fire sign, it could be you, but it's somebody who is basically short-tempered or exhausted, or like I said, they're unsure of a situation. I got to clarify again. We got to see if it's going to be the advice from the universe and the possible future outcome or a possible future outcome. What is coming towards you? The outside environment or something that's beyond your control that caused a lot of this is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. You didn't get some kind of new situation or new offer that was stable that you were wanting. It's an interesting read so far. Hopes and fears, a Page of Pentacles in reverse. You're fearing that you won't get the messages and the stability you need in life. Final outcome, the Devil. That could be so many things. But sometimes it's obsessing a little too much or feeling chained to a situation to where you feel like you're stuck somewhere. But I don't know. I see a lot of situations here where someone just is feeling a little antsy. And maybe you feel a little tied down or a little suffocated in some way, by life in general. But let me find out what's going on. Current environment, we got the Knight of Rods in reverse. What's crossing it? The Fool. And like I said, the Fool is wanting to take a leap of faith usually. And the Knight of Rods is someone who's kind of non-committal. They don't want to tie themselves down. So the Knight of Rods in reverse, the Fool crossing it. Why are you there for Sagittarius? The Hermit in reverse. You don't want to be stuck, hiding away. You don't want to pine away. You don't want to wait around, So the Knight of Rods in reverse. The Fool crossing, the Hermit in reverse. Why are you there for Sagittarius? And you want to come out of disappointment with something. It's like you're kind of disappointed. Could be relationships, job, I see money here, maybe you're disappointed in a money situation. Now what crowns you, like I said, is the Nine of Swords. You're having anxiety. Nine of Swords, why are you there for Sagittarius, is what crowns them, or the goal. Queen of Cups. Having anxiety over the Queen of Cups, possibly a water sign, someone who, their emotions are in check. They're very, very kind people usually, but you're having anxiety with them for some reason. So the Nine of Swords in the upright, Queen of Cups in the upright, why are you there for Sagittarius, is what crowns them, or the goal. I think it's what crowns you. Yes, it's like you're blocking somebody or they're blocking you with the Two of Swords. Sometimes, these things can be reversed, not reversed, but flipped for the cross-watcher may be feeling all these. Because I get a lot of cross-watchers watching too. But let's go back down to the foundation. We got the Seven of Cups. It's like someone is not accepting any offers or options. Maybe they don't like any of them that's been offered. That's a possibility with it in reverse. And they may think that all the options that's being handed to them are confusing, too confusing. So, the Seven of Cups in reverse, while you're there, for Sagittarius is the foundation. It's like, to me, someone's getting cold feet. Yeah, someone's afraid to lose their independence, with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Seven of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. Something wants to come out. Do I let all these come out? Yeah, someone's wanting messages of stability, but someone doesn't want to lose their independence. They may judge against the situation and end it totally. It's like they're thinking about taking off somewhere. I'm thinking someone's got cold feet. About a relationship, possibly, or a contract of some sort. Now, in the past, we got the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. You may feel something that's going to cost you too much, or you may not get your overall stability, or maybe you're wanting this, and at the same time, you're afraid of something. Someone's afraid of something. Someone's afraid of commitment. So, Ten of Pentacles in reverse in the past for Sagittarius while you're there. Someone may get a little defensive, or they try to get on top of things, or they need to get on top of things with the Seven of Wands in the upright. So Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Seven of Wands in the upright while you're there for Sagittarius in the past position. Someone needs to get on top of things. Yeah, and start manifesting what they need to do to get their overall stability, to get their overall wealth and what they're wanting to do. Because the Magician is able to do so. But I'm feeling... A lot of you, like I said, are getting cold feet, but I got to go further on. Or the people around you too may be getting this way, like I said. But the Four of Wands is in next, and it's about weddings, it's about celebrations and ceremonies, and a lot of times when I see this, I say it's a happy home, So it's available to you if you want this, So the Four of Wands in the upright in the very near future for Sagittarius while you're there. Yeah, you don't know if you want the offer of the happy home. You're like, I don't know if I'm ready for this. Commitment. Someone is not sure of the commitment because the Four of Cups is there. Someone handing them the cup and they're going, I don't know if I'm ready for this. That's what the Four of Cups is about. Someone handing someone a cup and let me show you. They're looking kind of like, I don't know if I want this right now. But the happy home is available to Sagittarius or the people around them for sure. So the Four of Wands in the upright. Four of Wands in the upright. Four of Cups in the upright in the very near future for Sagittarius while you're there. I see where this is going. And there's your Ten of Pentacles. You have it all. You can have your Ten of Pentacles. Because in the past, you're not having them. In the very near future, you can have a happy home and your Ten of Pentacles, but it's like someone's scared. It's all there for the taking. Now, what are you afraid of, Sagittarius? Or what are the people around you afraid of, Because it's there for the taking, but someone's like getting cold feet, like I said, for the third time. Someone is afraid. Someone's having anxiety. It looks like almost like someone's having an anxiety attack, almost, Now... Possible future outcome and advice from the universe. It could be the universe saying, now you're getting, all over the place, Queen of Rods. You need to turn this situation around. So Queen of Rods in reverse while you're there for Sagittarius. The Moon in reverse, something comes out. Queen of Rods, the Moon in reverse while you're there for Sagittarius. I'm thinking someone's really getting cold feet. I keep on feeling that big time. And there's a little off balance. So it could be the universe saying, bring things to light. Tell people why you're so upset, why you are feeling this way, and maybe you will get some relief. Because right now things are off balance, and you need to come clean. You need to sit there and tell somebody. Somebody needs to tell somebody something. Now, the outside environment is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This is usually beyond your control or what is causing all this from the outside. Someone did not make a new stable offer. Or maybe you're wanting something and it's not coming in, or you're wanting something else. So Ace of Pentacles in reverse while you're there for Sagittarius as the outside environment. Seven of Swords. Someone's sneaking off. There it is, Seven of Swords. Someone wants to take off. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Seven of Swords in the upright. Guess it's... Yeah, they're not looking for the things to come in anymore. It's like they're afraid to... It looks like they want to jump ship in a way. You know, with the Three of Wands in reverse, they don't want certain situations to happen. They want, in a way, to leave because of they're in panic mode. I see a lot of panic. Now, your hopes and fears, the Page of Pentacles, you may not get a call or a message. Some of you may be dealing with an earth sign. Someone young at heart. Someone that doesn't have a lot of stability in their life, too. So, Page of Pentacles in reverse. Why are you there for Sagittarius and the hopes and fears? Why are you there? I'm going to pull a love card at the end for this. Yes, someone's afraid of moving on from a troubling situation, or they're having trouble moving on from a troubling situation with the Six of Swords in reverse. Page of Pentacles, Six of Swords in reverse. Why are you there for Sagittarius? The Hangman in reverse. No, the Hangman in, it's the Hangman in reverse. Someone is just feeling stuck. They don't want to be bound. And they're trying to move on from a troubling situation. In the end, we got the Devil. The Devil, like I said, I told you what that's about. And someone's feeling chained, a little obsessed. So, the Devil in the upright. Why are you there for Sagittarius in the very end? Yeah, they want happiness. They're afraid that if they chain down, they won't get the things they want. They just want happiness. So I'm thinking, like I said, I've been saying this, since the beginning, someone's getting cold feet. Doesn't mean they're going to run off. Means they may just be feeling this way. So the Devil in the upright, the Sun in the upright. Why are you there for Sagittarius in the very end? And I'm going to pull a love card. And they're contemplating on what to do next with the Nine of Wands. So if this is you, Sagittarius, you're getting cold feet. If you're dealing with somebody else, if you're not, and you're dealing with somebody else, they're getting cold feet. Whether it's relationships or jobs, it doesn't matter. Let's get some love cards here, because it's just telling me someone's scared. And they can have a happy home if they want. They can have their Ten of Pentacles and all that. But something's got you scared, or somebody else around you. So I need another card for Sagittarius for mid-October 2019. I'm seeing jobs and relationships here. Because the Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands could be, something that you're celebrating. And I see the Ten of Pentacles when it has to do with money. I need a card. Let your friends help you. Go talk to a friend. Ask for and accept support from others. You need to talk to somebody, Sagittarius, about this. To get advice from somebody, or get them to talk to the other person. If it's another person getting scared or cold feet, or you. Talk to somebody about it. Your friends can help you if you do talk about this situation. Let me get one more card. Let's rock the boat here. Maybe they'll tell me something. So it says, go to your friends for help. Talk to your friends. Even the person that may be getting scared, or the person that or situation you're involved with, tell them about it, Like the universe says with the advice, tell somebody about it. I need another card. These things are hard to shuffle. Calling in your soulmate. Your prayers and affirmations will bring you together. So, it's the person you're dealing with, or if it is a marriage partner, is probably your soulmate. And sometimes when you're with your soulmate, you do get a little frightened. Some people say you don't, but you do, because they're so familiar to you. Maybe you don't understand them as much, or the situation, or they don't understand you. So it is your soulmate. Calling in your soulmate. Or maybe for some of you, you're thinking, well, maybe this isn't my soulmate. But it says it calling in your soulmate, talk to your friends. Talk to the person about it if you're feeling kind of off about the situation. One more card. The love card. I'm trying to get where it tells me something more. Forgiving and learning. It's not telling me much. As you release and heal the past, you experience love in the present moments. The reason why someone is afraid or getting cold feet, whether, like I said, you or the other person, whatever the reason is, you know, whatever you're getting cold feet about. You got to release things and heal from the past, because you're letting the past scare you for the future. It does show that you can have this happy home. So if some of you are afraid you're not going to get this happy home with, or situation with whoever you're involved with, you're wrong. It is there, okay? That you're just having fears from having bad experiences from the past, and you're thinking it's just going to relive it and relive it and relive it. And like I said, for some of you, this reading can flip. It could be the person that you're involved with feeling these things, and they're fearing it because of issues from the past. And someone needs to talk to somebody, because this may be very well your soulmate. And you don't want to freeze out your soulmate, or a soulmate connection, if it has to do with love, that is, you know, this situation with you. But it says, you know, just heal from a situation. Don't get cold feet. Don't get so scared, because the person that wants to be involved with you wants to be there. You know, they're going to be there. They're not the past person or any situation you had in the past that hurt you. They're not the ones that hurt you. And someone is thinking about sneaking off. So someone needs to go to somebody and say, it's going to be okay. Tell me what is wrong. Why are you so upset? Why are you getting so scared? And clear the air so maybe the anxieties can go. I don't know how many Sagittarius I'm going to reach, but I think that the main energies, and I'm feeling this big time, that someone is supposed to get into a marriage of some sort, or commitment, move in together or whatever, and someone's having second thoughts because they think it won't work. But I'm seeing here that it's a good possibility that it will, but someone may sneak off if they don't talk to somebody before it happens. You know, they may run off. And that is your reading. And I'm going to let this go, and I will talk to you later, Sagittarius. Bye.